Why wouldn't I swatch everything? Get it together. It's fine, Elizabeth. You wanted to swatch it. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and I go by Lazillian on Poshmark, where I love to express my love for fashion by reselling. And today's video is actually a makeup haul. And this is from Bare Minerals. So Bare Minerals is a makeup brand that I have been using for longer than I would like to admit. And so without any further ado, let's get into it. So this shipped in about, I would say, maybe 4 days. Color for myself. Okay, what's first? Ooh. This is Bare Minerals A Little Lip 6-piece Mini Gin Nude Matte and Shine Lip Set. I'm excited about this. I currently have not a lot of lip products. I don't tend to get as many lip products as I might eyeshadows. If there's something going on with my camera light, I don't know what that is, but I can see it happening. So, okay, so these are the colors. They are gorgeous. I think I'll show them one at a time, and I think what I'll do is I will swatch them. It's just said, so I'm gonna swatch these and then we'll be back. Okay, so I have swatched the colors here, as you can see. So the first one is kind of a nude medium pink. It's called Darling. Won't you come over? This is why nobody's over. Anyway, Sweetheart. This is a, yeah, just put it right in my face. Sweetheart. So this is a light pink, kind of just a really kind of very basic shade that kind of would just kind of make a little gloss look, almost like there's no color at all. The third one is called Boss. Oh yeah. This is kind of, how would I describe this color? Boss is kind of matte. It's another one of the matte shades. Oh, the first two were glosses, I should say. The first two were glosses, and now we're on to the matte shades. And this one is kind of a dusty rose, I'd say. And then we have Joulou. So Joulou, that sounds to me like it's French. I wonder if what that means. Does anybody know? Joulou is kind of a pinkier rose. Then we have Pout, which is a, oh, this is another gloss. Excuse me, I can see it on my skin. And this would be complementary to the roses I just did in the matte, but it's in a gloss. This one right here. Second to the last one. We're going top down. You know, if you watch this and make it through it, good for you, because I'm just learning how to do this, which is interesting. I'll go back and edit and I'll be like, oh, we're learning. So Fine. So Fine is the last color. Ooh, an eagle just flew by. Beautiful. So the last color is called So Fine. By the way, I should say that behind me is a beautiful mountain view. I live in the mountains. It's fantastic. I love it. I would love to have my own home, so that's something that I'm working towards, and I might share my goals in that regard to some degree. We'll see. But anyway, just wanted to share with you what I am looking at behind. I wonder if people wonder what's behind them. Behind me this way is my makeshift bedroom, because I have a very large work studio space. So I have like a area that I have designated that's maybe around 300 square feet for my bedroom, and it's behind me. Okay, now we're going to get in. I just ripped right into it. I don't need to share it with you, you know? This is all about my makeup that I'm getting. I'm excited. Mineral must-haves. This was $15, and I should say that There we go. I should say that everything that I got was on sale, and they had a 30% off their sale, and so that's what I picked up. I would say that because I do like to have a lot of color pieces, I look for opportunities for sales. Bare Minerals, I can tell you, and this is not sponsored at all, but Bare Minerals does have also these like 12-piece kits that will sometimes come out. They last for maybe like 48, 72 hours before they sell out, and they are a cluster of different products, usually often mini products, but that doesn't matter because, you know, by the time it's time to move on from a product, usually you don't always make it through full-size products. Anyway, great thing is to try and get your colors, your extra items during holiday seasons, during sales, during discounts, whatever you can do. I like this angle. I should say, I have Bare Minerals on my eyes today. I'm experimenting, and I would not say that I have much skill when it comes to eyeshadow, but I have fun with it. So, okay, in my mineral must-haves, I have Daredevil, which is kind of a purpley kind of pink. Actually would probably go well with the eyeshadow that I have today, which is kind of has some purple to it. That's the one at the top, and it's light. It's you know, a gloss, so that will be nice. I love glosses, although I am getting more into lip pencils. Those tend to hold color longer, and I love them. So you can also put those on with a gloss, and then it just kind of enriches the color. Let's see. So I got Golden Gate, which is a all over face color, or it's a rouge. Come on, do it. Do it, please. I don't know if that's gonna work. There might be a lot of editing in this video because I'm gonna have to, you know, swatch everything. Why wouldn't I swatch everything? Get it together, it's fine, Elizabeth. You wanted to swatch it. Okay, so this is, again, I forgot. Golden Gate already. Okay, so San Francisco has the Golden Gate Bridge to its north end going up. And this is Golden Gate. And it is a light peachy pink matte color. That will definitely look good as a blush or anywhere. Then there's Original Mineral Veil, which I'm not going to take out, but if you use Bare Minerals, this would be kind of like your finishing powder that you would put on. They also have illuminating mineral veils, which I have on my face today, and that is doing me wonders. Okay, so gives a little bit of reflection. And then Warmth. Okay, Warmth is, look how dark that looks. Isn't that interesting? Warmth is something that I have used for way longer than I would like to admit. Bare Minerals has been making this for, I assure you, more than 2 decades, and I still get it in its original version. I just sold some of the old school pressed that they made for a while of this, but you do want it in a loose powder. It's going to give you a lot of versatility. And what does this look like? Ah, see how that just disappears into the skin. Look, I accidentally got some up there too. But that just is disappearing. That is Warmth right there. And it's just going to, okay. Warmth is something that I use as my primary blush. If I don't have time to put on any other face color or any other contour, I'm going to put Warmth right here with a contour brush at this angle right here on my cheekbone, and then I'm going to take the brush without adding any excess because it already sinks into the brush well, and I'm just going to go over here, down each side of my nose, down under my chin line to define that a little bit, and then you're done. You've got blush and highlight in one. It works so well, and I've seen it work on several different women with different skin tones. I can't say that it's going to work for everything. Most things are not one size fits all. So yeah, this is Warmth, and I love it, and I'm so happy to get another one of these. These, by the way, this is why you want to do deals. Okay, so this was $15. Then I got that 30% off. of 15. No, it was like $11.50, and then I got another 30% off that. And that's for all 4 of these products, whereas generally a full-size warmth is $20 by itself, if that puts it in perspective for you at all. So you get warmth for 1/4 of the cost, basically, and everything else for free, pretty much, roughly speaking. Okay, so then the last 2 items I got were individual items. The first one being Precious Metals eyeshadow. This is a metal kind of liquid. I don't forget about it. It's just listen to the words that I say. Don't worry about the fact that it doesn't focus. So this has gotten mixed reviews. And it is on clearance, so we'll see how that looks. It feels nice and smooth. It might need some coaxing to blend, and it's right here. I didn't mean to throw that at you. Can we still be friends? Okay, so this is it right here. I don't know if you can really see it. It looks like it's gonna be a good primer, which is what I want it for, and then we'll see how it looks at the top here by itself, or if it's gonna need some other color. I always feel like I struggle with trying to blend right here. If anybody has tips for that, and you're watching this and you would like to continue to see my videos in the future on fashion and stuff and life, subscribe, click the button, but also tell me how to blend right here, please. Okay, Shantung. This is called Shantung Eye Color. It's spelled S-H-A-N-T-U-N-G. How do you pronounce that? Hello? Oh, come on, you're mean. Please. How's that looking? What does this look like? I can't remember. And who knows what you're actually buying, because I feel like sometimes with colors online, although I'm sure people like Jeffree Star know how to master trying to relay accurate color through the internet as much as humanly possible. So I just don't know how it's done. Oh, this is nice. This is kind of like a shimmery mauve-y purple. It's right here. I don't know why right now I'm interested in putting my eyes in colors that look like a bruise, but that's what I'm into right now, so that's what I got, and we'll see if I can make some progress with that. Because this is a kind of a purpley shade, this Daredevil will go well with it, as may, which one is it? This one. So fine. He's so fine. Did I already do that on you? Like, look, I have like no new tricks right now in this video. Okay. With that, I think we're gonna wrap it up. I'm all out of tricks, I'm all out of makeup, and I hope to see you guys again soon. If you are watching this, I look forward to increasing the quality of the content moving forward. You know, I love sharing these things with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy any opportunities that you have to indulge yourself with the things that bring you joy. And for me, doing makeup, fashion brings me so much joy, and so thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.